My name is Bakarat Ade, founder Harjoke Fabrics, where we sell lovely, classy, and affordable Ankara fabrics. We sell in wholesale, retail, and for Ashwebi, and we deliver to all locations. So Harjoke Fabrics started like something I really don't want to do. This is what my mom does. My mom sells Ankara fabrics. So anytime she comes, let's go to the market, I'll be like, what for? I'm an undergraduate. So after graduation, I was just at home, hoping to become a teacher because I studied guidance and counseling from Olabisi Onabanjo University. In fact, I graduated with a second class upper. So I'm like, no, I'm going into this profession. I love it so much. But I don't know, one thing turned to another. I need fund. I was not financially stable, and I'm like, Mommy, I have to follow you to the market. And I'm used to IG. I'm always on IG. I don't run out of data. I see people selling this Ankara. My mom sells 1,000 naira for 60 a then. And I see people selling 2,500, 3,000. I'm like, wow, see business now. What am I waiting for? So eventually, I started from my mom's shop. I take pictures, put on the floor, snap, post on IG. From one other less to two other to three other. So I felt, oh, this is something I can do. And to the glory of God, we are here today. Bumpa is my business best friend, bestest friend. This business is something that requires, let me say, we be stock every blessed day. It requires a lot of pictures. So when customers come to the DM, to WhatsApp then, and like, send me what you have, I can send 100, 200 pictures. And they'll be like, what happened? The way they will even react. I know this business, customer satisfaction has to be a priority. So I don't joke with that, but when customer complains, why are you bombarding me with pictures? You want to finish my data, this, that. I'm like, even to calculate is becoming frustrating. When I started as an wholesaler. I do more of wholesale. So calculating, sending pictures, customers are not satisfied that I'm sending them a lot of pictures. To calculate, I must definitely make mistakes because I have to attend to 5, 10 people at a go. It's not been easy. I don't have staff. I started selling from my mom's shop. After my mom's shop, home. I later left my mom's store because I gave birth. So I started selling from home. It wasn't doing this, doing that, packing, doing everything alone. It's a whole lot of stress. So I knew I had, apart from another staff or a staff, I knew I need something that can work, a technology, something that can take orders by itself, that can do everything for me. I know my business needs intervention of a website, a very reliable website, and thank God Bumpa came in. I was introduced to Bumpa by a friend, MVP Kiddies. Ever since then, I can tell you, Bumpa is my business best friend, our best friend. When I was presented the 10,000 orders, I didn't believe it. I just knew we've been packing orders. I never knew we've done such orders. So the thing was for June, we got 10,000 orders as of June 2025. I was so surprised when Bumpa team came in. I don't know what they came in for. They came as a surprise, a big surprise. So when I got it, I said, oh my God, 10,000 orders today. I never knew we've done that. Thank you, Bumpa team. The Harjoke that started Harjoke Fabrics never knew she would be here today. I didn't know I would ever packed 10,000 orders. Then, I never knew I would do this. I love professional things. I graduated with a second class upper. I love education. I love impacting. I love teaching because I was a student of the Faculty of Education. So me now diverting to Ankara Fabrics is something I never imagined could happen. No. So that Harjoke of then never knew she'd be packing over 10,000 orders. So Harjoke of 2018, I'll just tell her not to put all her eggs in one basket. Try to explore. Don't think, oh, this is where I want to be. Look for more opportunities. Don't say because I studied this, that's where I want to end it all. There are many opportunities out there. The problem I wasn't having before we grew to this stage, I don't really have a problem with my inventories. I can just look at my stock and say, oh, I have just 100 pieces. But now, I have a lot. I don't even know it. When customer comes, Harjoke, do you have? I tell them I don't know. Please go to my website. That is where you get. So Bumpa has taken charge of my inventory management, order management, payments, in fact, calculation. This might look like a tiny issue, but it is a very, very big issue. For me to calculate 10,000 times 20, I sell all ranges of Ankara fabrics. I sell the small range, medium range, and big range. So for me to finish calculating small to medium is always stressful. Calculative is, you will get tired. But Bumpa has been a great help. They've sorted everything. Even if you want to buy 1,000 pieces at a go, Bumpa got me. I'm well covered. I will give up 10,000 long. No, that is too much. I would have given up, or I beg, manually, 10,000. No. That's why Bumpa is there for me. Now, Bumpa, Biko, please. Always be there for us. Please, no. No. It should sure help me to be taking orders. See, when it comes to inventory, these are things I see physically. Last, I'll stay here 24. I know it's not even possible, you get, but it's something we can still sort. We can do that manually. But taking orders is not easy. When I'm sleeping, when I'm busy, when I'm not here, Bumpa is there for me. So let Bumpa keep taking orders. Please don't take that feature. Take orders. Take orders, please. I can't do it manually. We have a lot of customers. We take high volume of orders now. Bumpa, please don't go. You guys are going nowhere. So if you are a new business owner, or even if you are not a new business owner and you are stuck at 50 orders or low orders or no order, so I'll just tell you, please be consistent. Consistency is key. Don't let anybody tell you, oh, this, that. And please try to get your goods from the right supplier so that your goods will be affordable. If you sell on a high rate, and people who have affordable goods, they will definitely sell than you. Affordability with good quality. Make more research on what you are selling. Get good suppliers. Let them give you the best prices so your price can also be affordable. You see, most of the big brands out there, they are making it because their prices are affordable. They know their source, they know the way. So, and your would say, and it's about mono, low or something. You guys, ever me cocoa, shy guys, you have to combine what I'm trying to say. Say, and customer satisfaction. Me, Harjoke, we are not there yet, though. Customers do complain, but we are trying to be the best. This 2026 is me and my customers. I want them to be my best friend, just like Bumpa. So when it comes to marketing for Harjoke Fabrics, the main marketing I love and I'll keep doing no matter whatever anyone says is Instagram sponsored ad. I run ad a lot. This page I started with 0 followers. I did not convert any page, and now we are above 75K. Don't listen to people that will say, ad is not convert, it is converting my sister, my own. And videos, I make videos of, because when I take pictures, all the pictures I've posted, less than 99% of pictures I've posted are taken by me. I take pictures of everything myself. So you can see the true color. When factories send their pictures, some are edited. And when customers get them, they may not be satisfied. So I take pictures of everything by myself. I'll be on standing for 5-6 hours taking pictures. So you people can, so my customers can see the true colors, and I make live videos. I shout. I will speak Yoruba today, I will speak English tomorrow, I speak Pidgin. I shall mix everything for people to understand. And I try to make people see, even if you are not seeing something physically, when you see the live video, you have an idea of the quality. So I make live videos, I run sponsored ad on videos. So influencer, I don't really do influencer. Not really, maybe just one, okay, my friends influence for me. Collaboration is kind of marketing as well. So my major marketing trick is sponsored ad. I'm close to 25,000 orders, don't worry. The next big thing for Harjoke Fabrics is another milestone, right? And this time around, this is a new year. We are well prepared for you, our customers. We are expanding. We are bringing a lot of new stocks, quality designs. We are expanding in all ramifications. And the sweetest part is we'll start shipping internationally because we got Bumpa. Bumpa now have a partner that ships internationally and we are using them. So anywhere you are, we got you. Outside Nigeria, UK, Canada, USA, Ghana, Togo, Benin Republic, we are expanding for you guys, and the next milestone will be something very big. In conclusion, I will say a very big thank you to Bumpa. Bumpa is truly our business best friend. This is not a word of mouth. But Bumpa, I don't even think they know their value yet. When it comes to e-commerce website, Bumpa is #1. They are truly our business best friend. Guys, just go and try them out. Yoruba will say, "Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu kọ́ la fi ń ṣe." Go and download Bumpa. See all the beautiful features they have for business owners. I know you'll be amazed. If you're a vendor, don't sleep on Bumpa. So thank you. So to locate Harjoke Fabrics, we are located at Aja, Lagos. To see how beautiful, unique, classy Ankara fabrics, quality ones at an extremely affordable prices. And yes, we deliver to all locations. You can find us on www.harjokefabrics.com. We have a WhatsApp number. Our IG is Harjoke Fabrics, HARJOKE.fabrics.com. Thank you.